in.
Hi, Steve.
Ray, hi.
Yeah, look, going to be a bit blunt here.
Yeah.
None of us are going to leave this office until you give us a cheque for the extra work we did last month. And I'm sorry, we're not going to be fobbed off any longer.
Has that not come through?
No, it hasn't.
That's outrageous. I don't know what's happened. All I can say is I'm really very sorry, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to write you a personal cheque here and now. How's that?
Well, yeah.
Yeah? Would that be acceptable?
Yeah, great.
Okay. Oh, my goodness. 3 oranges on you. You know why I keep doing that? Oh.